the seasons change, but your love for me still feels the same. Through every morning and every night, you keep my world so warm and bright. We walk through storms, we walk through fire, yet our love grows higher and higher. And now I know what forever means. It lives right here in our sweetest dreams. Our love is stronger than time, stronger than the tide. Through every storm and every line, you're still by my side. Our love is stronger than time, deep as the ocean wide. No matter what this life may do, my heart still belongs to you. The world can rush, the world can fade, but the love we found was truly made for the kind of days that never end, where lovers grow and hearts still mend. I thank the stars for your gentle grace, for the peace I find in your embrace. And if the future calls us on,